G'day all, here we have a Mamod miner. It's a MM1. It's got the original burner. This one still has the little rubber stopper. Now it's starting to perish. All my other ones with original burners on the stoppers, this is absolutely just totally dissolved and melted. This one does feel a little bit soft. But I can't remember the last time I ran this. But we'll give it a go and see if it's got enough oomph, the little miner, to run this workshop. I think this one, looking at the Toy Steam Bible, I think this engine was circa 1947, 46, 47, 48, 49, around that, and then they changed the flywheel in them. But anyway, I think that date's right. But alright, I'll be back in a little while when that boiler's starting to heat up. Okay, with the magic of video, I'm back again. Just a shout out to Nick, one of the fur pins that Nick sent me from Minnesota. These have been absolutely brilliant for running accessories. Makes running accessories such a pleasure, being able to hold them down properly with those fur pins. Okay, I'll just show you that safety valve, if it's camera zooming in on it. I don't know if the little Mamod miner is going to have enough gumption to run the Mamod workshop, but I think it's just getting up to boil now. Well, just so you know, if you don't have one of these little Mamod miners with the flywheel sitting directly over the firebox, I think I know why Mamod painted that red, because that is literally red hot. Trust me on that one, that is red hot. So we'll give it a bit of a spin. Whoa, okay, I did not expect that. Oh, ample power to run that. Running that without a problem. There we go. Well, that's fun. The boss is going to be happy with this workshop because work's getting done at warp speed. I really didn't know whether the little Mamod miner that was made just after the end of the Second World War in Britain was going to have enough gumption to run this Mamod workshop, but as you can see, it's doing it effortlessly. I'm using a Willesco spring wire, one of the ones that's got the little nub at the end that you put in and give it a couple of turns so you can take them apart to run this. Very small drive wheel on the Mamod, which is still making that workshop fly along. What a lovely little engine, and a lovely little old engine. Bit of steam on the lens. Every time I run a engine like this that's that old, I can't help but think of the first child who must have got this on Christmas Day or their birthday, or whether they saved up and bought it out of one of the catalogues that used to be around in those days. But it's just fantastic to imagine some young boy, or maybe it was a man who had something that wanted to have a steam engine, because, whoa, it stopped. Because as you all know, there's enough blokes now that are riding to steam engines, whether we're reliving our childhood. But I don't know, it's just something that I can't stop thinking about every time I run something that's this old, and I think that's what gets me in, the history of these. Here we go again. Just fantastic to think that this is that old, way before I was born. and it's still going strong. As good as the day it left the Mamod factory. Little original burner's nice. Seems like it runs out of a bit of steam. It's not blowing off the safety valve now. Just starting to do that now. No, just leave it a little bit longer. Must be boiling, must be getting up a head of steam, and using that to run that workshop, and then running out of a bit of oomph. See if we can get it going again. So this is my fault, because I said it was running as good as the day it came out of the Mamod as good as it was coming out of the Mamod factory. That stopped my tongue tiredness. And as soon as I said that, it's literally within 10 or 20 seconds come back to bite me on the arse. No. I'll leave it for another 15 seconds and bore you with my talking. This is a more modern Mamod workshop. It's the only one I've got. I've got all the individual pieces painted in the Mamod apple green, but I haven't got the whole workshop. I don't even know if Mamod I don't even know if Mamod made one. So if someone can tell me that, that'd be good to know. Well, there's something. There's a bolt and a washer. So it'll be a repair job when I've finished. Okay, last go. Let's see if I can get this going. Take that off. No. I wonder why. Haha. Well, aren't I a buffhead? It's run out of heat. The methode's run out. So there you go, guys. That's why the little Mamod 1 MM1 stopped steaming. Now I could edit all that out, but I don't care. I like having all this as it went, as the steam up went. So as always, appreciate you watching. Thanks for the comments, and take care out there, guys. Bye for now.